Hey guys, no need to fear the blue screen error. We have the solution to get you back on track. Just follow my screen to fix this issue.
Click on advanced options, then we need to select troubleshoot, then select advanced options and then click on command prompt. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk/f/r and hit enter to execute this command. Now we need to type this command and simply press enter. Type cd space c:/ and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type cd space windows and simply hit enter.
Now type cd space system32 and we need to execute this command. For that, simply hit enter. Now type cd space config and simply press enter to execute this command. Now execute this command carefully. Type in md space backup and simply hit enter to execute it. Now type copy space ** space backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute the command md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now execute this command carefully. Type in copy space ** space backup1, then simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space regback and simply hit enter. Now type dir and then simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter.
Type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter.
Now execute this command cd space c:/. Now type cd space windows /system32/config/regback and hit enter to execute. Now type this command bcd edit space /exports space c:/bcd backup, then hit enter. Now type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now type this md space boot and hit enter. Type cd space boot and hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter. Type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Type attrib c:/boot/bcd-h-r-s and hit enter. Now type run space c:/boot/bcd space bcd.old, then hit enter. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.